Hello friends, today we shall discuss on the topic vital statistics. In the previous class, that is in first year PU, you have learnt about statistics. Statistics is nothing but facts expressed in numbers. Now the meaning of vital is important. Together, vital statistics is nothing but important statistics. Now the question is, why this statistics is called as important statistics? That is because vital statistics deals with the human population. In other words, it deals with the event that happens in human life. Now, this particular statistics mainly deals with birth rate, death rate and morbidity rate. In general, we call these rates as vital rates. Birth rate gives an idea about growth of the population. At what rate the population is increasing due to birth. Death rate tells about the rate at which the population is declining due to death. Morbidity rate tells about sickness. That is, how many people are suffering from a particular disease, what is the leading cause of death in the community, how fatal are the different diseases, etc. Now, these vital rates are used by the health authorities to decide whether the health workers are effectively serving their purpose. Since these vital rates reflects on the frequency of occurrence of vital events, they are considered as measure to decide the success or failure of health programs. Health vital statistics are called as parameter to measure the status of health in the community. Now, we shall concentrate on the definition of vital statistics. Vital statistics is defined as the science applied to the recording, analysis, and interpretation of vital events. Vital events means the events that happens in human life, such as birth, death, sickness, marriage, migration, divorce, adoption, etc. Now, the vital statistics is a recording of vital events, analyzing them, and finally giving conclusion based on the analysis. Now, the next thing we have to learn is about sources of vital statistics. That is, what are the different methods of collecting vital statistics? There are two important methods of collecting vital statistics. They are registration method and census method. In registration method, the sources of vital statistics are register offices like municipal offices, corporation offices, panchayat offices, hospitals, etc. Under this method, the vital events that are occurring in the population are continuously recorded. In India, the occurrence of birth and death should be registered within 21 days of its occurrence. Now, registration method is more meaningful if there is strict legislation regarding the registration of vital events. In India, registration of most of the vital events are compulsory and therefore it is reliable. The second method is census method. In this method, the sources of vital statistics are census surveys. Census are conducted at regular intervals. In India, census is conducted once in 10 years. Now, during census, variety of information is collected like information on birth, death, marital status, educational status, occupational status, and religion, etc. Under this method, even though vital statistics are collected only during the census period, but this method is more exhaustive than the previous method because in census method, complete enumeration of the population is done. That means we are getting actual count about the vital events. Okay, now we shall concentrate on how to measure the population. As you all know, actual counting or enumeration of the population is done only during the census period, and if we need to find the population in between the census period, we have to estimate it. And the formula that we are using to estimate the population at time t is P of t is equal to P of 0 plus B minus D plus I minus E. Now here P of E is the population at time t. P of 0 is the previous year census population. B is the number of births till time t. D is the number of deaths till time t. I is the number of immigrants. E is the number of emigrants. Okay. Now we shall focus on what are the uses of vital statistics. First one, they are useful in planning and evaluation of economic and social development of a country. The economic and social development of a country depends on the development of human population. Since vital statistics deals with the human population, they are useful in planning and evaluation. Second one, they are useful to government agencies for administrative purpose. Government makes use of vital statistics to formulate policies in different sectors of administration. They are useful in medical and demographic research. Vital statistics are frequently used by research scholars in community medicine to study the health status, and also by the researchers in demography to study the structure of demography and trend in the population. Fourth one, they are of great use at the international point of view. To compare the health status from one country to other country, vital statistics are used in international level. Fifth one, they are of great use to the government to assess the impact of family welfare programs in the country. Family welfare programs are implemented to control the birth in the community. Since the various fertility rates indicate the births taking place in the community, they are used to assess the impact of family welfare programs. Sixth one, they are used in actuarial science. Actuarial science is the branch of statistics which deals with the insurance. Usually, the insurance company makes use of life tables that we'll be discussing in later to find the premium and bonus of the policies. This is about introduction to vital statistics, the sources of vital statistics, and its uses.